Have you ever looked at an old photo of yourself and felt that punch in the gut wondering, where did that version of me go? If you have, you're not alone. And that's exactly why today I'm starting 75 soft. And I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
I am so sick of looking in the mirror and hating what I see, stepping on the scale and being so disappointed in myself because I have used every excuse under the sun, like a busy schedule, like my fatigue, like my health concerns, as excuses to why I haven't been my best self physically or emotionally. So over the next 75 days, I am on a mission to become the hottest, fittest, and most disciplined version of myself. And the good news is the last date is October 3rd, which is my birthday. So now I have a decision to make: to go into the new year feeling like I hate myself, or to become the hottest, fittest, and most disciplined version of myself.
Here are the rules. I have to do 2 45-minute workouts every single day, and one has to be outside. Number 2 is to drink 1 gallon of water. I have a 40-ounce Awala water bottle here that I take everywhere, and it's about 3.2 bottles. Next is to read 10 pages a day, and I need to know if any of you guys are on book talk because I don't really read. I'll be reading King of Wrath by Anna Huang. The 4th is to follow a strict diet, and I will be relying on a high protein diet, which we'll go through in depth shortly. And then number 5 is to take a progress picture once per week. Now, the typical rule in 75 Hard is to do a progress picture every single day, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna do a progress picture once per week, and since we'll be holding each other accountable, I'll be including that same picture before and after in our weekly vlog for all of us to see if we're improving. And that's actually it for the rules. I say that as if that's not a lot, but in general, it probably will take about 3 hours a day to complete everything. So it is a big commitment, but I am ready for it because that scale, it's gotta change.
Another day, another break, and the promise was always a pattern of mine. It's the way that I learned that the game, it was only a matter of time. And I pray that I don't have to pay for it yet, but I'm willing to gamble on.
I love fitness classes because you literally don't have to think about anything. You're doing a high intensity cardio workout and you just show up and somebody tells you what to do, which sounds amazing, but unfortunately for our goals over the next 75 days, it's not. And in week 1, I did a lot of high intensity cardio workouts, and I'll explain why, but first let's talk about the diet. This is my protein baby. And over the next 75 days, I'll be showing you why abs are made in the kitchen. Well, hopefully. I'm aiming to get 2,200 calories per day. However, this is only week 1. So for example, if I see after the first week that I'm only burning 1,500 calories per day, yet I'm eating 2,200 calories, I am in a surplus. And the only surplus I want to be in over the next 75 days and for my life is in my bank account and with love. That's it. Not in calories. I'm not bulking. I'm not doing none of that. I'm trying to get snatched. So it's suggested that you consume anywhere from 0.8 to 1.2 grams of protein per pound. So at 180 pounds, my estimate of protein intake is around 144 to 216 grams of protein per day, which is a lot. It's going to be hard, but nothing is harder than dating on Hinge. You see, you know when you go to match with somebody after seeing a group photo and then you realize the cutie patootie is not the one you actually matched with, but it was the friend that you didn't think was as cute? Well, all this running I'm doing in week 1 is basically him, the friend. I learned in week 1 that these type of workouts do not match with the friend we want, which is the fat. So we need to go over the serious changes that I need to make in week 2 before I fail. And to help, I'll be keeping the same supplements that I take every day. 10 Prev Creatine Magnet Powder. Creatine increases lean muscle mass when used in conjunction with resistance training regimen. Another thing that I'll be leaning on is protein powder. I really like this protein powder because it has 30 grams of protein per scoop. Now let's talk vitamins. The first thing I'll be taking is iron. For the past 8 years, I've had severely low iron levels and I was severely anemic. Late last year, beginning of this year, I actually had 4 4-hour iron transfusion. To help with absorption, I take vitamin C. In the morning, I'll also be taking vitamin B12. Now, I love this for energy because one thing about me in my health journey is I got rid of my caffeine addiction. When I say addiction, I mean addiction, okay? I used to wake up and have 4 shots of espresso before 6 a.m. And then I was like, okay, I'm a health girl. I'm gonna switch to green tea. And for some reason, I thought it would be a good idea to start making cold brew tea. But I'd put 6 bags in the glass and I would drink that before 7 a.m. So I was having like extreme amounts of caffeine every single day. And when I'd wake up, I'd be so groggy, I'd be so annoyed, I'd be so upset. Like I was just so far gone. In the evening is this magnesium. So this is different than what is in our creatine, but it also helps with getting a good night's sleep. And the total of all of that is right here. But these muscles aren't gonna build themselves, so let's go work out.
I'm on my 45-minute outdoor walk right now, and honestly, I am so freaking hungry. I have such a big headache. I have like 700 calories left in the day, and I've eaten like nothing because I've been on a shoot all day and I've eaten out. And I just finished a run, and I feel like I'm gonna pass out. So as you may have guessed, halfway through week 1, I switched my caloric intake from 2200 to 1750 per day. And that was a rude awakening because I was not prepared for that. So while we do a recovery for the week, let's go over what changes we'll be making for week 2. In week 1, we walked almost 30 kilometers, which we'll be bringing over to week 2. But instead of doing the high intensity cardio workouts, we'll be switching to doing weights 4 times per week, core once per week, and then 2 active recovery days. And what I mean by we, it's you and I, because we're doing this together, right? I hope so. Anyway, the week 1 theme was audacity because we had the audacity to start. But let me know in the comments what you think the theme should be for week 2, because trust me, it only gets harder from here. You have to lie. I don't care if you gotta make it up, but if you even as far as say you can see me in 75 days, when this is my supper, I'm gonna be pissed. Where's Tanisha? Oh, I don't know. I see she posted a vlog, but I don't see her in it.